Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone,
I am Sumani Kumar
and I am Anati Ramchandani,
from grade 9 on the International School.
Team Innovators.
Here to represent our idea, Carbon Cut, a simple yet powerful initiative to reduce carbon footprint right from schools. What's carbon footprint? It's the amount of greenhouse gases we produce through our daily actions. Even though many awareness programs exist, students are still less aware of their impact or increase of carbon footprint. So the real issue here is not just the pollution, it's the lack of awareness and consistent engagement among students to actually know their impact on their carbon footprint and reduce it through eco-friendly actions.
Exactly, and since this is a huge problem that starts from our habits, we believe the solution should also start with us, especially the younger generation. So we made a project that aims to make students more aware, responsible and active in reducing their carbon footprints while making it fun and practical. That's why our idea focuses on students. So it's not just about making an app, but about creating small movements in schools. We also aim to create green print clubs in schools.
We all know how Indian schools are. Since mobile phones aren't allowed in most Indian schools, this app is more of an after use. AI won't monitor the students, but teachers will. So the whole idea is to start from students and then go to communities. So basically, Green Print Clubs, the mini green team in schools, act their digital helper and motivator, with their planner as the backup for schools without the phone use, and the goal is to slowly expand from schools to communities. And this is a planner as a physical companion and some screenshots of the app.
Welcome to Carbon Cut, the eco app that's making schools greener. I'm excited to show you around our app designed to motivate and support students in making eco-friendly choices. This is our landing page. Students and teachers can sign up or log in here. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. This is the dashboard. Right now I'm at level 1 with 0 green prints. My dashboard shows my progress and I can track my eco score. This is the task page where you can complete daily tasks like watering plants, switching off unused lights. Simple, fun and impactful. This is where you can view your plan and submit your proof and earn green prints. As I complete my tasks, my eco scores will grow and I'll level up. This is the reflection page where you can set eco goals and share your thoughts. This is the leaderboard where you can compete with your friends, see who's the top eco warrior. This is the volunteer zone. Once you reach level 3, you can have this access. So join the movement, let's make a difference, one eco task at a time. As we have already seen the student dashboard, let's see the teacher's dashboard. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. So this is the teacher's dashboard. This is where teachers can see and approve students' submissions. This is the same leaderboard which teachers can also see, and if they want to do any announcements, they can do it in here. We hope that this can be brought to action and make a difference.
So, through Carbon Cut, we want to inspire young minds to care, act, and lead toward a greener, smarter, and truly resilient